In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use seedream within OpenArt AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your workspace, write effective prompts, and generate beautiful results with the seedream model, all inside OpenArt. Start on the OpenArt homepage and move your mouse over the image section to reveal the creation tools. This hover action brings the image features into view so you can quickly jump into the creative flow. When you see the option to start a new project, go ahead and click Create Image. That opens the main canvas where all your settings, prompts, and previews live. Inside the creation page, look for the model selector. Switch the model or character and choose seedream as your generator. Models shape the style and capabilities of your outputs, so selecting seedream ensures the results match the look and strengths you're aiming for. If you see multiple versions, pick the latest stable one for the most reliable performance. Now, describe the image you want in the prompt box. Be specific and intentional. Include the subject, setting, mood, lighting, camera angle, style, and any key details that matter. Clear direction like sunlit portrait, wide-angle cityscape, or cinematic low-key lighting helps the model understand what to emphasize and what to leave out. If you want help polishing your wording, click Auto Enhance. You'll be offered 3 paths: Quick Enhance for a fast, well-balanced upgrade, Customize if you prefer to guide the enhancement with finer control, or Image to Prompt, which analyzes an image to produce a descriptive prompt inspired by it. Pick the one that matches how hands-on you want to be. After you confirm, a more detailed version of your text will appear back in the prompt field. Read it closely and tweak anything that doesn't fit your vision. Remove styles you don't want, adjust adjectives, and keep the core idea front and center so the output stays aligned. If you have a visual reference, drop it into the Omni reference area. This anchors the generation to your example's composition, palette, or vibe, making results more consistent with your target look. Use a clear, high-quality image for best guidance. Next, set how many images you want to generate. More images give you broader variety but may take longer and use more resources, so choose a count that fits your workflow. When everything looks good, click. Create and wait for the results. Rendering time can vary. Watch for progress indicators. Once your images appear, review them and note what worked in your prompt for future iterations. That's it. You've created with seedream inside OpenArt AI.